Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are making more joss stick holders today, or incense holders, incense stick holders. I'm doing it with alcohol inks. I'm going to be putting the inks directly in and then pouring resin on top. In this one, I'm going for sky blue and red. The middle one, we've got lemon yellow and violet. And the bottom one, we've got lime green and pink. In all of them, I'm going to be putting silver and deep white. So I'm just going to start dotting colour around. I wasn't going to do a pattern, but I've already started to, so I will finish on this one. Oh, need to cut the tip off of that, 1 second. That one's more random. I think this is definitely going to be the domineering colour in this one. Going in with the green. I think it's going to be interesting to see what happens with the different patterns in the moulds themselves. Is that going to have any effect? Are the ridges in here going to move the inks differently to the other ones? We're going to find out. Now our silver. Oops. Being quite heavy-handed with the silver on that one. And last but not least, our deep white. Okay, got some resin ready to go. I'm just going to pour in. We see what happens. Wow, look at the effect we're getting on this one. So this is the one that I started pouring in the middle and then moved to the edges, and it's pushed all of the ink that way, but where I went straight up the centre, wow, that's incredible. Looks like a coral reef. And this one I did the same pour as that one. Okay, so the pouring gives us a different outcome because we're pushing the inks differently. So the top one, I don't really like that it's got such a blank centre. So I'm going to do this with a cocktail stick. Don't know if I'm just probably muddying all the colours together on that one, but we'll find out. This is beautiful, and I love the middle one as well. Wow. Awesome. Right, I'll see you when they're cured and we can take them out and have a look. It is demoulding time and I'm super excited. Really love this one. Looks super cool. Looks like a sort of a moody ocean at sunset time where you get different colours on the water from the sun. Love this. Really interested to see what's happened with this one on the other side. So let's just start popping them out. This one is stuck down the bottom on my mould. And I'm going to get you off. Okay, so I've got some overflow here. Let's just see if I can... Yep, peeled right off, great. Just that way. Middle one. Straight out. Last one, come straight out. Now the mould is stained from alcohol inks, but I should be able to get that off, or most of that off, with some alcohol spray. I've got some silver here that didn't mix in, so interesting to see what happened. It was about here on this one. Right. Wow. Super cool. Super cool. Ooh, interesting. This one's still my fave though. Oh, that's cool as well. You can definitely see where I went in with the cocktail stick to try and drag the colour around. But that gives an interesting effect. I think, yeah, definitely my favourite is this one. I'm going to try again, I think, but without the silver, because the silver does take over. And I can see some interesting patterns here in the background, so I'd be interested to see what's behind the silver on that one. Actually, on all of them. But still, super happy, super chuffed. I think they look cool. There we go. Well, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Drop me a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Have an awesome day. Bye.